Hi guys, I'm going to just show you how to log onto Canvas, how to get to the Homeroom 3 page, how to get to your modules, and kind of just how to navigate for e-learning day. Alright, so you're going to start at your home screen of your iPad. You're going to click Safari. At the top, you're going to type in DecaturProud.org, DecaturProud.org. It will probably come up for you, but I just wanted to spell it so that you had it. Once you see that, you're going to go ahead and click it. Alright, and then once you get to this screen, you're going to see a bunch of different icons at the top. You're going to see the Google Mail envelope icon. You're going to see the Canvas icon next, Skyward, all of those other ones. You're going to click on the one that we say looks like a pie, or the Canvas icon, the second one. Alright, once you get here, you're going to log in. Remember, when you log in, it's your first name dot your last name, or what is on the back of your iPad, and your password is all the garbledy-goop that's on the back. Now, for newer enrolled students, it might also be your birthday, so make sure you try your 2-digit day, or your 2-digit month, your 2-digit day, and your 2-digit year of your birthday. So if it's February 10th, 2010, it would be 02102010. Alright, so make sure you try all of those things if you cannot figure out how to log in. And then if you have other questions, you can email me at mwhite@decaturproud.org. Alright, so once you log in, you're going to get to this screen. Once you get to this screen, you're going to go to Homeroom 3. And once you get there, this is what it's going to look like. You will not see modules just yet, but you will see it starting Monday morning. So you're going to go ahead and click modules. And when you get here, the only ones that you will see are the ones that have passed or are currently open. So you will only see Monday, March 16th for Monday. And then on Tuesday, you'll see Tuesday's module and Monday's module. I really recommend you doing them as the days go on. You do Mondays on Monday, Tuesdays on Tuesday, etc., because you're going to end up having a lot of these, and these are going to accumulate. So to get them done during the day is a great plan. All right, so once you get here, you're going to go ahead and start the e-learning day. You're going to click on it. And this is your home screen. This is your main screen that gives you all of your information for the day. Just says that I hope you're ready to have some fun, some directions, which I'm also going to go through with you right now. And then if you have any questions about the assignment or the content, that just means any of the things that I'm going over with you and you're learning this week, message me through Canvas. I'll explain that later, and then I will respond by 4 o'clock every day. All right, if you have any other issues that I can't help you with, you can call the technology helpline. Their number is down below. Okay, so down below in the right-hand corner, you're going to see this next button. Go ahead and click it. Then you are going to see e-learning attendance check. This is just so that we know that you're here and you're present for school, technically for this day. So you're going to click Take Quiz, I believe it will say. We'll say you have logged into your Canvas account and started your e-learning day work. If you're here, if you're at this screen, then that is true. So go ahead and click True, please, for me. You're going to submit the quiz, and it will say at the bottom that you got 1 out of 1. So go ahead and click Next. If you are one of Mrs. Gross's students, you will have this page. If you are not one of Mrs. Gross's students, you will not see this page. So if you are one of Mrs. Gross's students, please do these assignments, and then you can click Next. If you are not, you will not see this page. All right, so here is our first assignment for reading. So we know that in the morning when we come in, we usually do breakfast. We take care of breakfast items and then go use the restroom. So once we get to this point, this is when we have started reading. So you should have already woken up, you should have gotten breakfast, taken care of those kinds of things. And now you are settled in, getting ready to start your day. So for reading today, we're going to start with our word study. You're going to see below are this week's spelling words. We have the spelling words listed for you, and I have also included some videos of me that go through some of the mini lessons that we would be doing for the week. So for this one, you'll see our spelling word study mini lesson. Then you're going to click the link in the blue, and you're going to do some practice on spelling city. Then you're going to click Next once you have completed that. All right, then your second reading assignment for the day is to go to your eTextbooks app. I've included a little picture of what that icon looks like for you. It says go to Unit 4, Lesson 18, A Tree is Growing, and reread the story. Yes, I know we've already read this, That's why I want you to reread it. And then after you read, you have some comprehension questions to answer, just like you would be doing with your partners at station work this week. So I'm going to go ahead and click the home button to show you how to get to the eTextbooks app. So click the home button, takes you here. Then you will scroll until you find your app that looks like this. This one up top here. Alright, so once you click on that, then you're going to have some books pop up. You won't have nearly as many as I do, but you're going to have books, and you're going to click on the Purple Journeys one, just the one that we use. Then you're going to scroll down until it says Unit 4. If you have not already downloaded it, you're going to download it. Shouldn't take long. After you download, you're going to click Read, and you're going to go to the contents on the left-hand side. I said Unit 4, so remember that we clicked on Unit 4. We're going to click Lesson 18. It will take us to the vocabulary for the week. We know that the story starts after the vocabulary, so we can scroll until we get to this page, and it says a tree is growing. Now, it is easier for you to go to page view and look at it. It's 2 pages. And then scroll, and you may begin. Now, if you want to listen to audio, you're going to click this audio button.
A giant tree may look as if it has always been big.
And you can continue reading it throughout the story. You can read or listen to it. Alright, so after you do there, you are going to read it or listen to it. Then you're going to go back to Safari, so double click the home button, just like I've done, and click on Safari. So you've done number 1, you've gone to your eTextbooks app. You went to Unit 4, Lesson 18, A Tree is Growing, and you reread or you listened to the story. Then, number 3, after you've read, complete the comprehension questions here. So you're going to click on this blue link, and it's going to take you to this page. I'm going to go ahead and preview it so that you can see what it looks like. Now, each question is a different amount of points. So for question 1, you're going to see there's 2 parts of the question. Please make sure you're restating these and answering these to the best you possibly can, okay? So take your time on these. You don't need to do these all in one sitting. If you need to get up and get a snack or go use the restroom, that's the awesome thing about e-learning. When you finish these and all of these are great and done as best as you possibly can, you're going to click Submit. Then you're going to go ahead and click Next. Then you'll be taken to math. Now, remember that between reading and math, we usually take a restroom break. So this is an awesome opportunity for you to take a break and go get whatever you need done and then come back with a fresh start, ready to go again. All right, so for math today, we've got a couple different things. We have a video, and then we've got another video about how to log into IXL. I know that this is a new thing for us, so I wanted to make sure I gave you a video on how to log in. Okay? Then, number 2, after you watch both of those videos, you're going to click this blue link again, and you're going to go to IXL to practice. So it's going to take you to this. You can go ahead and click the X button on this one. It might ask you to sign in. If it asks you to sign in, that's why I gave you directions. If it does not, you can just go ahead and get started. Alright, so once we finish that, we're going to click at the top, back at this tab, and click Next. Alright, so for specials, this is something new that we have not yet done. So, you'll notice that this really looks like our specials calendar that's on our board each day when we arrive. So, it says it's almost time for specials. Look below to see where you go for specials today. So, if you are one of Miss Buck's students, that means that you are going to STEAM today. Now, it is already linked, hopefully, to Miss Bersani's STEAM page. If it is not, you're going to go over here to your courses, and you should see STEAM. If you do not see STEAM up here already listed, click All Courses and see if you see STEAM in through here. Okay? So I'm going to go back to this screen. Now for PE, same thing. Courses, find PE, and then you can click on it. Library, same thing. Okay? All right, so once you do that, they have posted an assignment for you to complete for your e-learning day. So you need to make sure that you complete that. Then you're going to click next. All right, so for science today, we have a mystery science video. Click on the blue link to watch it. Be sure to watch the bonus part of it because the bonus part is where your writing part comes in from for the next part of our lesson. Then once you've watched that, you're going to click next. Then here is our writing for the day. Write at least 7 to 8 sentences. Tell me about the video you watched about germs. What did it show you? What were the 5 tips to keeping germs out of your body in the bonus? What did Doug compare sneezing in your elbow to? Okay, so once you do that part, you're going to go ahead and click next. And you know you're done because it says this completes your e-learning day. High five from Mrs. White. So once again, if you have any questions, feel free to email me at mwhite@decaturproud.org. You can also go over here to your inbox on the left side of your screen. Click the plus button in the top left corner. Select homeroom 3, 2, type in white and I should pop up. Subject, you can type e-learning day question or whatever your question pertains to. You're going to go ahead and click this checkbox. That checkbox that just sends an email to me that says I have a new message that I can respond to. And then this is where you're going to write your message. So, dear Mrs. White, I am not able, or whatever you have a question about. All right. So that's how to send me a message. I'm gonna go ahead and cancel out of that. All right. So that should be about it. Gonna go ahead and swipe out. Thanks for joining me. Good luck.